Olá a todos! Today I bring you a fun video. I wanted to share some of the most common slang words used daily by the Portuguese. Students often struggle picking up these words since they are usually not taught in classrooms, and you definitely won't see them in the workbooks. However, you will find these words in the streets, in schools, on TV, probably in soap operas, and in more informal settings. If you are learning Portuguese or interested in the Portuguese culture, you are at the right place. I have over 200 videos on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe and consider being my patron on Patreon. And today, in slang, bora lá! In Portuguese, we have several slang words for the word money, dinheiro. Some of the most common are cacau, guito, pilim, and massa, the equivalent to the English dough. So if you ever hear someone asking, já levantaste o cacau? They aren't talking about cocoa. They are asking, have you picked up or withdrawn the money? Next, we have the word bicla. Have you heard it before? Let me put it in a sentence. Hoje à noite vou andar de bicla. Any guess now? Bicla is our informal word for bicicleta, bicycle. Now we have a very useful word, bofia. Does that ring a bell? Bofia is the slang word for polícia, police. So if you ever hear a bofia está a passar multas na rua, it's the same as a polícia está a passar multas na rua. The police is writing parking tickets. The Portuguese word for prison is prisão, but in slang it's choldra. O João já saiu da choldra. João already left prison. For beer, we have several slang words. Bejeca, jola, and loura are some of the most common. I'm sure you've learned loura before. It's the Portuguese word for blonde and can be used for a beer as well. Quantas jolas bebeste ontem na festa? Is the slang form of how many beers did you drink yesterday at the party? A fun word we use is cota. Cota is used to describe an old person in age or a person that thinks like an older person. So overall, it's a slang for velho, old. Some people use the plural cotas to refer to their parents, pais, in Portuguese. Os meus cotas estão no Algarve. My parents are in the Algarve. Népia is a word that I personally use a lot. It's an informal word with the same meaning of nada, nothing. But be aware, when we use these as a double negative, they can also mean anything in English. Hoje ainda não comi népia. Today I haven't eaten anything. When something is great, awesome in Portuguese, the colloquial words to use are porreiro, altamente, and bestial. They are the equivalent to ótimo. O concerto de ontem foi bestial. Last night's concert was awesome. When you are hungry, in Portuguese, we say tenho fome or estou com fome. In slang, we have the word larica. So to ask, are you hungry? Estás com larica? Another expression with the same meaning using the verb estar is estar com a traça. If you enjoy slang words and want to understand better street talk in Portuguese, check out this other video fully dedicated to slang with some soft swear words as well. Remember that slang isn't proper Portuguese, but you will find all these words in the Portuguese dictionary. Just be careful on when you say them. They shouldn't be used in formal settings. Share with me in the comments below if you knew these words and what is your favorite slang word in Portuguese. Até à próxima!